Very good morning to all of you. Today we will study about adjustments in closed accounts of partnership firm. After preparing our books of accounts, we find some errors. And these errors were due to wrong distribution of profits. Now the question arises, how to rectify these errors? Shall we prepare P&L appropriation account again? Shall we prepare capitals account again and the balance sheet? Then our answer will be a big no. We are not going to prepare accounts again. Simply what we will do? We will pass an adjustment entry in the beginning of next year. Which accounts were affected due to this wrong distribution of profit? It will affect only capital accounts. Account of one or more partner were credited more and account of other partners were credited less. So we will pass an adjustment entry through capital or current accounts of the partner to nullify this mistake. Now what procedure we will follow for making this rectification? Two steps will be there. Number one, we will prepare an adjustment table to calculate in the adjustment entry which partner is to be credited and which partner is to be debited and with what amount. And second, we will pass an adjustment entry. While passing an adjustment entry, what you have to remember, if firm is following fluctuating capital method, then adjustment entry will be through capital accounts. But in case firm is following fixed capital method, then this adjustment will be made through current account. And the reason is clear to all of you why we will use capital or why we will use current accounts. Because in case of fixed capital, distribution of profits, that is shown in which account? Current accounts of the partners. So adjustment will be made through current account. Now let us discuss some practical questions so that this concept will be clear to all of you. Let us suppose three partners are there, A, B and C, with capitals of rupees 10 lakh, 8 lakh and rupees 5 lakh respectively. They are to be given interest on capital at the rate 10% per annum. But profits were distributed in PSR, and suppose PSR is given to be 5:3:2 without providing for interest on capital. Without providing for interest on capital. Then how we will rectify this mistake? You are asked to pass necessary adjustment entry. Just go through the statement. A, B, C, PSR 5:3:2, capitals are given and interest on capital is to be given at the rate 10% per annum. But they have distributed profits in PSR without providing for interest on capital. Now, how we will rectify this mistake? Only a part of the profit that should be credited to partners by way of interest on capital. Actually, that was already distributed among them in the ratio of 5:3:2. So, we will find what amount is to be credited to the partner actually on account of interest on capital, and whatever has been already credited, that will be debited to their accounts, and the result we can calculate. You can see on the board, we will prepare table showing adjustment. Table showing adjustments. First column, it will be for particulars. Then the next column will represent capital accounts of the partners. How many partners we are having? A, B and C. So, here you will write down A, B, C. These are the capital accounts of partners. And in the last column, you will write down firm. In particulars column, you will write down keeping in mind capital accounts of the partners. If these are to be credited, you will write down credit. If these are to be debited, you will write down debit. Like in this question, we are required to give them interest on capital. As interest on capital is to be given to them, so they will be credited. How much interest on capital? 10% per annum. For A, it will be 1 lakh. For B, it will be 80,000, and for C, it will be 50,000. When firm credit partners capital account, then P&L appropriation account will be debited. So, the firm will get a total debit of rupees 2,30,000. This is our first step. Now, the firm already has distributed these profits to the partners. In which ratio? 5:3:2. So, it will take back its profits from the partners again in the same ratio. So, second, profits taken back. Profits were given to them in which ratio? 5:3:2. So, they will be taken back in this ratio. 2,30,000 you will take back in this ratio. So, A will be debited with 1,15,000. Debit I am representing by in brackets and credit without brackets. And B, it will be debited with 69,000 and C will be debited with 46,000. And firm will get a total credit of 2,30,000. Now the net results. Debit 1,15,000 and credit 1 lakh, that means a net debit of 15,000. Here credit 80,000, debit 69,000, so 11,000 credit. And what about C? 50,000 credit, 46,000 debit, that means he will get a total credit of 4,000 and there will be no effect on the firm. Interest on capital, it is to be credited A, B and C. So, firm will get a total debit of 2,30,000. But already the firm has given these profits to the partner, so it will take back its profit. And finally, we will get this result. A will be debited with 15,000, B will be credited with 11,000 and C will be credited with 4,000. So, the adjustment entry will be you will write down adjustment entry. Format already all of we know whenever we have to pass the entry. Who is debited? A's capital account debit. It will be debited with 15,000. And what about B and C? To B's capital, it will be 11,000. To C's capital, it will be 4,000. And you can give the narration, the adjustment entry passed. This is how you have to proceed while solving questions related to adjustment in closed capital accounts. Now let us discuss one more example. In this example, we will consider reverse of this situation. Same assumptions are there, A, B and C. PSR 5:3:2. Capital of A 10 lakh. Capital of B 8 lakh. And capital of C, it is 5 lakh. Opening capital is given to you. And interest on capital, no provision in partnership deed. And profits during the year were distributed after providing interest on capital at the rate 10% per annum. Now, the firm has wrongly credited interest on capital to partners, while interest on capital is not to be given. So, our steps will be, we will take back this interest on capital. Again, you will prepare table showing adjustments. Table showing adjustments columns we know, particulars A, B, C and last for the firm. Here you will write down particulars. As the firm has wrongly credited interest on capital to partners, so it will take back interest on capital. So here you will write down interest on capital. As the firm is taking back from the partners, so partners will be debited. With what amount? At the rate 10% per annum. So A will be debited with 1 lakh. Debit we are representing in brackets. B will be debited with 80,000 and C will be debited with 50,000. And firm will get a profit of 2,30,000. Now the firm will distribute this profit among A, B and C. In which ratio? TSR. Profits to be distributed in which ratio? 5:3:2. So A will be credited with 1,15,000, B 69,000 and C will be credited with 46,000. And as the firm is crediting that, so the P&L appropriation of account of the firm will be debited. Firm is getting, A is getting a total credit of 15,000, B debit is more by 11,000, similarly C debit is more by 4,000. So what will be the adjustment entry? A is getting credited, B and C both are getting debited. So our adjustment entry will be, it will be A is credited, B and C are debited. So you will write down B is capital account debit, C is capital account debit to A is capital account. Don't forget to write down the narration and please don't use any abbreviations. This is how you can proceed with solving questions. Now, we will discuss one more example. Now, suppose three partners again, A, B, C. 5:3:2. Capital of A 10 lakh. Capital of B 8 lakh. And capital of C 5 lakh. And drawings are given. Let us assume for A 1 lakh. For B and C it is given to be 50,000 each. And interest on drawings to be charged at the rate 10% per annum. 10% per annum. Profits distributed without charging interest on drawings. Interest on drawings. That means we need to debit partners with interest on drawings. But we forget to charge interest on drawings from the partners. Then first we will prepare our table showing adjustment. Table showing adjustment. Particulars. A is capital, B is capital, C is capital, and it is from P&L appropriation account. Now, interest on drawings. What is to be done? It is to be charged. It is to be charged from the partners. So, partners will be debited. You can calculate, we will calculate for 6 months. For A, it will be 5,000. For B, it will be 2,500. For C, it will be 2,500. Because they are debited, so we will keep these amounts in bracket. And firm will be credited with a total amount of 10,000. How much profits the firm will get on this account? Interest on drawings 10,000. Now what the firm will do? It will distribute again among the partners profits to be distributed. You can distribute 5:3:2. 5,000 A will get, 3,000 B will get, and 2,000 C will get, and firm will be debited with 10,000. Now the net effect. A debit 5,000, credit 5,000, so no effect on A's capital. B debit 2,500, credit 3,000, so 500 it will be credited. And for C 500 debit, so C will be debited. And our adjustment entry will be, B is credited and C is debited. So you will write down C is capital account debit to B's capital account. Similarly, reverse situation may be there. Now we will discuss one more situation. When firm has omitted to provide interest on capital and charge interest on drawings and also distributed profit in the wrong ratio. A, B, C 5:3:2 with capitals 10 lakh, 8 lakh and 5 lakh respectively. Drawings. For A, it is given 1 lakh. For B and C both, rupees 50,000 each. Profit during the year. Profits during the year, rupees 6 lakh, distributed equally without considering provisions which states interest on capital is to be given at the rate 10% per annum and interest on drawings is to be charged at the rate 10% per annum, and profits are not to be distributed equally. These are to be distributed in the ratio of 5:3:2. This is our statement. Two provisions are there, interest on capital, interest on drawings and PSR 5:3:2. But firm has not considered these items and profits during the year 6 lakh. These were directly distributed equally among partners. Then how you will proceed with making adjustments? Table showing adjustments. Now we will discuss one more situation. When firm has omitted to provide interest on capital and charge interest on drawings and also distributed profit in the wrong ratio. A, B, C 5:3:2 with capitals 10 lakh, 8 lakh and 5 lakh respectively. Drawings. For A, it is given 1 lakh. For B and C both, rupees 50,000 each. Profit during the year. Profits during the year, rupees 6 lakh, distributed equally without considering provisions of the date which states interest on capital is to be given at the rate 10% per annum and interest on drawings is to be charged at the rate 10% per annum, and profits are not to be distributed equally. These are to be distributed in the ratio of 5:3:2. This is our statement. Two provisions are there, interest on capital, interest on drawings and PSR 5:3:2. But Firm has not considered these items and profits during the year 6 lakh. These were directly distributed equally among partners. Then how you will proceed with making adjustments? Table showing adjustments. Write down names of A, B, C and last for the firm. Now, what is to be done? We need to give them interest on capital, we need to charge interest on drawings from them, and the balance of the profits will be distributed to them in ratio of 5:3:2. And what mistake was committed by the firm? Profits during the year already given to them. So first step will be, we will take back the profits. This will be the first step. If the profits were distributed in wrong ratio, first step will be profits taken back. So partners will be debited. How much profits are there? 2 lakh, and in which ratio they were distributed? Equally. So they will be taken back in this ratio only. 2 lakh you will debit in account of A, 2 lakh will be debited in account of B, and 2 lakh will be debited in account of C. And firm will get a total profit of 6 lakh. Then firm will give interest on capital to partners, as it is to be given to partners, so it will be credited. We can calculate 10 lakh, 10% per annum, it will be 1 lakh. B will be credited with 80,000 and C will be credited with 50,000. And firm will be debited with 2 lakh 30,000. Then next, interest on drawings, as it is to be charged from the partners, so it will be debited to their accounts. Rate of interest on drawings 10% per annum, and drawings are given to you. For A it will be 5,000, for B it will be 2,500, and for C it will be 2,500. So firm will get a credit of 10,000. Now whatever profit will remain after adjusting these two items, they will be distributed in ratio of 5:3:2. Let us calculate those profits. Now, firm still having a profit of 3,80,000. So firm will distribute these profits in 5:3:2. Here you will write down profits distributed. In which ratio? 5:3:2. Total 3,80,000. So A will get credit of 1,90,000 and B will get a credit of 1,14,000 and C will get a credit of 76,000, and firm will be debited with 3,80,000. So A is debited with 1,05,000 and credited with 1,90,000. So A is credited with 85,000, and in account of B, debit is more by how much amount? You can calculate 8,500. And what about C? Again debit is more by 76,500. So these will be your final results. First, whatever you have distributed on account of profits, you will take back those profits. Then you will give interest on capital, charge interest on drawings, and balance profit you will calculate and distribute them in ratio of 5:3:2. This is how you can solve questions related to past adjustments.
That's all for today. Thank you all of you.